Greetings, this is Ken from Mahalo.com with a review of Notes Plus for the iPad. If you'd like to see more videos, please rate, comment, and subscribe below. Notes Plus is an amazing note-taking app, easily one of the best on the iPad. It seems the creator of this app took the best features from other note-taking apps and combined them into one app. What I really like is when the developer takes the time to give you a tutorial. So when we start up this app, the tutorial is written down in note form, but I've seen other apps have a little video in the beginning. This note-taking app has some amazing features, like shape recognition. So if I draw a poorly drawn circle, it will transform it into an amazing perfect circle. So that's going to help a bunch if you're taking notes in a pie chart. Like I've said in my other reviews, using a stylus is going to help you big time. You have the option to write down your own notes or use the keyboard. Once I write a note, I can circle the note and have the option to delete it or move it around the paper. Another great feature is the record tool. So if I'm in an important meeting, I can hit the record button and record the meeting, then go back and see if there's anything I missed on my notes. There are plenty of customization tools for my notes. I can change the color of my pen, the thickness of the stroke. It even features highlighters so I can highlight the most important parts of my notes. If you think writing small to fit the lines is difficult, well, they have a solution for that. I simply just tap and hold the screen and it brings up the close-up writing box. So I can write in a comfortable size and it will resize it for me. I can write a full page without having to scroll out or zoom. My favorite feature is the Palm Pad. I sure do wish some of the art programs had this. It allows me to rest my hand on the screen without affecting anything else. There's so many great features in this app, it's hard to cover them all in this short review. But the most important is exporting your notes to Google Docs. After using this app, I could see a program like this in the future replacing paper in schools. So instead of turning in your paper to the teacher, you can just export it to the Google Docs. I hope so, because I would really like to save some trees. And for saving trees, I give Notes Plus for the iPad a 4 out of 5.